Hello everybody, this is Miss Nancy from the Clearview Library District, and I am here to do story time and a craft with you today. Remember, the story time and a craft is on Thursdays at 10 o'clock. You can pick up your kit, which will look like this, anytime the week before story time, and we will show you how to do the craft after we do our story time, okay? So, let's get started. You know that we always start with our hello song, so let's get going, okay? You ready? Okay. We clap and sing hello, we clap and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and sing hello. We wave and sing hello, we wave and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we wave and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello, we stomp and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we stomp and sing hello. Let's do the first verse again, okay? We clap and sing hello, we clap and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and sing hello. Hello, everybody. If you were wondering why I was a little bit distracted, it's because there's some chickens here. So I wonder what we're going to do our story time about today. If you guessed chickens, you're absolutely right. I'm going to excuse myself for 1 second, and I'm going to walk over here and take the bread away from the rooster. Okay? Yeah, we saved the bread. Wonder what we're going to need the bread for. We'll see. Okay? Okay. Our book today is called Book. Or if you would like to say it in chicken language, now the chickens just got the bread. If you want to say it in chicken language, we would say bok, bok, bok. Okay? And this is written by Deborah Bruss. Okay? Okay. I have a helper today. If you guys are ever in the library, ask to see Miss Amy, because I'm at her house because she has fabulous chickens. And so she's helping me if you happen to see her in the corner there. Okay, here we go. Down at the farm, all was well until... What do you think's going to happen? The children went back to school, and all the animals had nothing to do. Is that something that happened at your house recently? Yes, it is. They had no rides to share, and no tug of war to play, and no one to scratch them behind their ears or ruffle their feathers. Are the animals feeling kind of lonely? Yes, they are. Because you guys all went back to school. In the light, bright morning, the horse hung his head. The cow complained, and the goat grumbled. The pig pouted, the duck dozed off, and the hen heaved a sigh. Long about noon, with the sun high above the barnyard, the hen squawked, "I'm bored, and I'm heading to town to find something to do." The animals followed her down the road. Do you guys see a sign in the corner down here? Do you see that? What does it spell? It says Libray. Where are they going? Library, aren't they? I wonder what'll happen. Look, clucked the hen. Happy faces. This must be the place we're looking for. I'll go in and see if I can find something to do. Nay, nay, whinnied the horse. You're too small for such a big job. Leave it to me. So who's going to go in first? The horse, you're right. The horse clip-clopped in. Politely, he asked for something to do, but the librarian could not understand the horse. All she heard was, "Neigh, neigh." So the horse hung his head and clip-clopped back out. Now the cow plodded in. Politely, she asked for something to do, but the librarian could not understand the cow. All she heard was moo, moo. So the cow complained and plodded out. Now it was the goat's turn, and he trotted in. Politely, he asked for something to do, but the librarian could not understand the goat. All she heard was baa, baa. So the goat grumbled and rumbled out. Slowly, the pig ambled into the library. Politely, she asked for something to do, but all the librarian heard was oink, oink, oink. So the pig ambled out to tell her friends. Up flapped the hen, and she announced, "I am going in, and no one is going to stop me." Into the library she flapped. "Bark!" clucked the hen politely. The librarian looked around and said, "What's that noise?" "Bark! Bark!" said the hen. The librarian scratched her head. "Who's that?" she asked. "Bark! Bark! Bark!" clucked the hen quite loudly. "Oh, is this what you want?" asked the librarian, and she handed the hen 3 books. And where are they going now? It says farm down in the corner. Back at the farm, the horse and the cow and the goat and the pig and the duck and the hen gathered around the books. The barnyard was filled with neighs and moos and baas and oink, oink, and quacks and bark, bark, bark. Their sounds of delight lasted until sundown. All the animals were happy, except for the bullfrog. And do you know what he said? Do you know what he said? Okay, watch. I already read it, read it, read it. I already read it. And that was bark, bark, bark. Okay, now we have one song that we're going to do because this one is just perfect for our book. And it goes like this. Now, I have a scarf. If you have a scarf or if you have something with streamers, you might want to get it because it's kind of fun to wave it around during this song, but you don't have to, okay? You can wave your arms too. Okay, are you ready? Bark, bark, said the little red hen one day. Bark, bark, said the little red hen. Bark, bark, said the little red hen one day. And they all said, bark, bark, bark. But You know hens say, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. You know hens say, la-di-da-di-da. They don't say, bark, bark, bark. Okay, should we do it one more time? Let's do, okay? Bark, bark, said the little red hen one day. Bark, bark, said the little red hen. Bark, bark, said the little red hen one day. And they all said, bark, bark, bark. But you know hens say, la-ti-da-di-da, la-ti-da-di-da, la-ti-da-di-da. You know hens say, la-ti-da-di-da. They don't say bark, bark, bark. Okay, now we are going to sing our goodbye song, but you know that it doesn't really mean goodbye because we are going to do our craft together too, okay? So let's sing our song, okay? Wave high, wave low. I think it's time. We've got to go. Wave your elbows, wave your toes, wave your tongue, blah, 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 and wave your nose. Wave your knees, wave your lips, blow a kiss with fingertips. Wave your ears, wave your hair, wave your belly and derriere. Wave your chin, wave your eyes, wave your hand, and say goodbye. Okay, guys, we are going to make what do you think we should make today? How about if we make a chicken? Okay, so it's gonna look something like this. Now, is it okay if yours looks a little different when you're done? Absolutely. You can make your creative chicken however you want to, okay? So, let's look in the kit. Now, to do this craft, you only need one thing at home, and that is glue, okay? That's all you need. That in your hands, okay? Okay, let's look at our kit. So, hopefully you picked up one of these, and inside, the first thing you're gonna find is our paper that says snap a pic. Please, please send us pictures at the library so we can share them on social media. We love to see your children doing the craft or reacting to the story time and doing it with me. So if you can, send us a picture, okay? Okay, now let's see. In here you're gonna find a paper plate. Yours might not be green, but I do like that green. And you're going to find some feathers. Oh, that's cool. And now this is another one of those kits where you want to make sure you get clear to the bottom, because clear in the bottom you're going to find 2 eyeballs, and you're going to find a little piece of orange paper that is shaped like a beak. Okay? And so I'm going to put everything back in the bag because it's really hard for me to do this craft, but I will show you what to do. Pretty soon I'll be able to start doing these crafts with you again. I certainly hope so, really soon. Okay, so you will have your plate, and you are going to turn it so the colored side is out. And then you're going to fold it in half right across the middle like that. And then at one side, you're going to put your 2 googly eyes and the little beak that'll open and close. And then you can put some tail feathers on this side, and just glue them on, and some wing feathers, okay? And you have quite a few feathers, and they're really bright colors, so you can do all kinds of fun things with those feathers. Okay? So that's your craft today. When you're done, it can sit somewhere and it'll rock just a little bit, okay? So I hope you have fun making that. Hope to see you again next week. Chickens, chickens, chickens. I'm going to throw them some bread. Look at how much they like the bread. Look at them. Now, here's the rooster. Watch him. He really likes the bread. There. Oh, we have a dog in here. These two dogs are friends to the chickens. They also help protect them, which is really cool. And this is a flock that's owned by Miss Amy's daughter. And Miss Amy works at the library. And these guys lay eggs for her. And she gets 3 or 4 eggs a day, sometimes a lot more than that even. Okay? But they're laying hens, and they lay either brown eggs or sometimes light green eggs or white eggs. So lots of different colors of eggs. Okay? I thought you would enjoy seeing some chickens since we had a chicken book. Look at them running for the bread. Okay? Oh, did you see that? Okay, guys. I'm going to turn the video camera off. I hope you enjoyed seeing Amy's chickens.